going on? We're out here at National Trails Raceway. Gonna make the old first pass in this car, see what happens. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna stick some stuff to the window. Hopefully the tune's good enough. Nice cars out here. We'll see what happens. Yeah, see, that was pretty bad. It definitely used to run a lot better than that. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust on the tire pressure there. I'm gonna remember to data log this time, and I'll get a better view because I doubt any of that footage is usable. But you know, maybe we'll pop the air filter off, get her a little more suckage too. Let's try that. Maybe that'll be like 1 horsepower. Alright guys, up here for the second test and tune pass. Hoping this one does better. I dropped tire pressures down. I'm going to data log this one, and we're going to see what everything looks like. Not that I really know what I'm looking at, but we're going to find out. Let's see how it does. Let's see the time slip, see what happened. I'm not sure if it doesn't have enough timing or what, but it's kind of annoying. I think there might be too much fuel. I kind of smell it. I need to look at the AFRs during that whole pass and see what it was. Trying to keep it in the 12s at wide open, mid 12s. Thank you. Alright, so it ran the same 60 foot even though it didn't spin. But we got better to the 8th. We went 887 instead of 903. And it came out to a 1393 quarter mile. So it's definitely running shitty. It's not misfiring or anything, but I think it's just running a little too rich. So we're gonna go check the data log and we'll give you an update. Oh dude, are you that famous YouTube guy?
Slightly.
Oh my god, I can't believe I just met Slow Moto out here. What the hell? Oh, well, that pass sucked. It was like 1393, so I went through and did a little, I don't know what I'm doing, but I added stuff. So we'll see what happens the next time. What are you running away for?
Ruining your video.
Nah, can't ruin this shit. Alright, we'll check in a bit. $73 on the old Hellcat. Oh, look at that guy. All-wheel drive Taurus SHO. I wonder if that would be our buddy Josh. If he runs faster than me, I'm probably gonna cry. Damn, that Alpha ran a 1365 and the Taurus ran a 1351. I guess I better go cry now. Alright, back to the laptop.
Definitely said fucking Camaro.
Yeah, to 15, 14, oh yeah. Thank you. Well, it spun again. It was the same in the 8th, 887. I data logged that time. I guess let's look at it, see if it's running too rich or... So I guess changing timing really didn't help, but this is really showing how bad my tuning skills are. That's okay. We'll keep trying. Still having fun. It's just irritating that it's so slow right now. It's alright. I'm gonna fix it. Fourth run today, see how it goes. I took a couple degrees of timing out of it, took a little fuel out of it, had the spark plug. Talked to a guy next to me who knows a lot more than me, so let's hope for the best here. Oh, well that's no bueno. Glad I'm in the left lane. That's a pretty cool angle. wasn't any better. Doesn't matter what I do to launch it. It just does not want to get off the starting line today. I think we're done. I data logged it. No, I didn't. I forgot to damn it. The shutdown made me forget to data log again. But I was looking at AFRs. It was a little lean, but we'll look at the spark plug and see what it says. That was absolutely terrible. 199, 60 foot, 910 to the 8th, 1428 in the quarter. So all I did all day was make the car slower. Not a successful first run, guys. A little upset about it. I need to go to tuning school. Well, here we are, sunburnt, burnt out, and that's really slow after doing burnouts. I still got some work to do. I'm gonna read some plugs and see what the hell's going on. I thought what I did was gonna make it faster, and nope, that backfired. Plus it spun really hard. Anyway, still a fun day at the track. You know, first day opener, first season opener. How do you say that? Yeah, that one. It's been a good time. This has been great. Got to hang out with some friends and some stuff like that.
A day at the track is better than a day in a garage.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the car actually works good enough to get here. It didn't die on the starting line, everything like that, like it used to. So we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope you appreciated all the other races and the content and stuff. And don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, all the cool shit. Love you.